Yeah.
Hello! Hello, Greenies fans. Today we're back with another video of Goyt Valley. Here we go!
Shit. Hurry up! I don't control. Ah, shit! I'm nearly at that tree. I don't control the weather, to be fair. Fucking hell, speed up!
So slippy! So slippy!
No, it's right. Okay. Why are we going round that? Shit. Why am I not pedaling pumping? Speed up! Theo Galley is going quicker than you. Shit, wrong line. Come on, Theo! Hurry up! Theo, hurry up, mate! Speed the fuck up! That's so slick. So, follow Theo. Go.
Just get Theo.
Do it. Send it, Theo. Send it, Theo. It's coming up. Send it. Go, pedal. Send it. Send it. Yeah. Why did you go so slow? Keep going. Yeah, Theo. Oh no, I'm on the wrong gear.
Yeah, you can't stop it.
Oh shit. That was terrible. I got that on camera. Like Galley. Look at him go. He crashed there. He crashed there. He just hit his balls on his face.
Fell off anyway.
Oh, God,
You.
the same as you.
You're both terrible. Fuck you, dude. What do you think of that, Theo?
Pretty good. Pretty decent. Give it a shit out of 10. It'll be alright.
Right, hello guys, we are at Farmer John's. It's a very wet day. We're all pretty soaked already. We've not even done
My coat's already broken.
Yeah, don't buy
Whatever it is.
whatever that is. It's pretty terrible.
Speed up! Yeah! Fucking hell. Oh! What gear am I in? Shit. Hurry up. Oh, I won't be sneezing it. Oh, Kyle.